Hi there! Today, I'll show you how to easily remove and replace the ear pad cushions on Presonus HD7 headphones. Perfect if your current pads are old or worn out. To remove an ear pad, simply grip it by the edge and pull it off. Do the same on both sides. They should come off without much effort. You'll find a link to compatible replacement ear pads in the video description below. To install the new pads, start by stretching the edge of the pad and placing as much of it as possible onto the headphone's ear cup. Use your fingers to hold the already installed section in place. Then, pull the remaining edge over the headphone housing until the whole pad is secured. Repeat the same steps for the other ear pad. It's important to keep the already attached part in place. Otherwise, it may slip off the housing and you'll end up putting the pad back on forever. Hope you found this video useful. A like would mean a lot.